محمد نبينا بنور هادينا من مكة حبيبي نور سطاع الماء.
Good day to everyone. I'm honored to stand before you today to share the significance of a special celebration observed by millions around the globe. Bakri Eid, also known as Eid al-Adha. As a Jesuit-run institution, St. Paul's Institutions embraces and respects the diverse traditions and beliefs of all our students. Today, we celebrate the spirit of unity, love and peace that Bakri Eid embodies. Bakri Eid or Eid al-Adha translates to the festival of sacrifice. It is one of the two major Islamic festivals, the other being the Eid al-Fitr. Bakri Eid is celebrated by Muslims across the globe to commemorate the willingness of Prophet Ibrahim to sacrifice his son as an obedience to God. This festival is celebrated on the 10th day of Dhul Hajj, the last month of the Islamic lunar calendar, following the completion of Hajj. The story of Bakri Eid is deeply rooted in faith and devotion. According to the Islamic tradition, Prophet Ibrahim was commanded by God in a dream to sacrifice his beloved son Ismail. As a mark of his unwavering faith and devotion, Prophet Ibrahim was fully prepared to fulfill the divine command. But instead, the God intervened and provided a ram to sacrifice instead. This act symbolizes the importance of giving up something precious in the way of God. Bakri Eid is not only a time for reflection and gratitude, but also a time for action. The festival involves the ritual sacrifice of an animal, usually a goat, sheep, cow, or a camel. The meat from the sacrifice is usually distributed in three parts: 1/3 for the family, 1/3 for the relatives and friends, and 1/3 for the less fortunate. The act symbolizes the values of charity, compassion, and community. The celebration of Bakri Eid is marked by special prayers, feasts, and gathering. Muslims dress in their finest clothes, attend the Eid prayer at mosques or open grounds, greet each other with Eid Mubarak, which means blessed Eid. The spirit of sharing and caring is evident in every aspect of this festival. In the diverse community of St. Paul's Institutions, we believe in the power of love, equality, unity, and harmony. The essence of Bakri Eid, with its focus on sacrifice, compassion, and generosity, transcends religious boundaries. It teaches us the importance of empathy and impact of small acts of kindness. As we commemorate Bakri Eid, let us reflect on the values it promotes. In a world often divided by differences, this festival reminds us of our shared humanity. It calls upon us to extend the hand to those in need, to practice tolerance, and to spread love and peace in our communities. In the words of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, none of you truly believes until he lusts for his brother what he lusts for himself. Let us all embody this message in our daily lives, fostering a culture of mutual understanding and respect. On this auspicious occasion, St. Paul's Institution wishes all our Muslim brothers and sisters a joyous and a blessed Bakri Eid. May this festival bring peace, prosperity, and unity to all. Let us carry forward the spirit of Bakri Eid, nurturing a world where love and peace prevail. Eid Mubarak to everyone. Thank you.
نفسي أشوفك في المنام يا رسول الله وابكي على كتفك.